New content update, 101 navigation bars to choose from, designed to help visitors easily navigate your site. All these navigation bars are available within the online content catalog, offering many options. Choose from classic styles to creative ones. You will find one that matches your website's style and personality. You have 3 easy ways to replace your current navigation bar: double-click, drag and drop, or right-click import. Your new navigation bars will automatically match your website's style. They are designed using best practices to enhance the user experience. Update the navigation bars on your freeform or modular websites to make content easily accessible. Customize them with your installed fonts and themes to make them your own. Try our new navigation bars today and make your website easier to navigate, one click at a time.